Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'll show you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint step by step. First, let's go to the View tab and select Grid Settings. Enable Snap Objects to Grid and Display Grid, then click OK. Now, head over to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and add a shape to your slide. Adjust the size to fit your design. Next, insert another shape. Like an oval, and resize it as well. With both shapes on the slide, align them to make sure everything lines up perfectly. Then, duplicate one of the shapes to keep your flow consistent. Insert another shape if needed and adjust its size to match the others. Once you've positioned all your shapes, select them and press Ctrl+G to group them. After grouping, duplicate the entire set to extend your flowchart. Add a rectangle shape and adjust its size as well. If needed, ungroup the shapes and insert connector lines to connect them. Change the colors. Removing any unwanted outlines. Now let's add text. Go to Insert, choose Text Box, and place text inside each shape as needed. Finally, select all shapes and text boxes and align them to the center and middle. And that's it. You've completed your flowchart in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Slide Egg.